Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. True success. Although I have good intentions, forgive me, for I still fall from time to time. It's simply the journey of being human, through self-discovery and striving for greater. Despite it all, I still give you my very best, and to me, that should be the definition of true success. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think about 3 things you're grateful for from yesterday. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of those things right now. I am grateful for my wife picking me up a parcel. I'm very grateful for another package arriving. And I'm very grateful for my wife's dinner she made. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.